Hello students. Today I am going to discuss on very important issue, that is how we can train ourselves to be the winner. We know that in this today's world there is a need of a guru, a teacher. If we talk about the olden days, Dronachar was one of the great guru or the teacher who usually taught many of the students for their development. The basic funda that he implemented was whatever the training he was usually used to give to the students, it will help them in the future was the basic agenda. But in this today's era, we need the guru like Lord Shri Krishna, because in the war of Mahabharata, the Arjuna was been guided in the proper way by Lord Krishna. So this gives us a clear indication that in this today's fast track world, we need the guru or the teacher like Lord Krishna. But the question arises that where we are going to get such a good guru? The answer lies within us. The answer is our mind helps us, it gives the direction, and it will act as a guru if you train it in the proper way. Now you might be getting surprised that how come it can work. The answer is yes. You have to train the brain in that way. So before to know the concept, I will go in detail and will illustrate you how our brain works. Basically, if you see, in our brain there are two conceptual powers. One is called conscious mind, and second one, the most powerful, which is like an elephant, and that is the subconscious mind. This subconscious mind, it works like an elephant. It is having the ability to crack or to solve the riddles of the universe. So let's understand it in detail. For instance, suppose whatever the thing I am talking to you, whatever the things you are feeling, you are seeing, or you are touching, so all these perceptional things that are there, so these are of conscious mind. But whenever you are in deep thoughts or whenever you are asleep and go in the depth of the different dream, then the subconscious mind work. That means the subconscious mind has an ability to move in each and every corner of the world. So, how come we can train this thing? Before that, I will just give one example by means of which you will understand how this subconscious mind plays an important role. Long back ago, there was one artist who usually used to perform his art in front of many people. One day, he got an opportunity to show his artistic activity in front of different people globally. So he went abroad, and when he was approaching to the stage, he got frightened by seeing the large amount of the mob from different countries. He was thinking that he will be not able to perform in the well format. So that was like he was ashamed about himself. He was feeling guilty that he is not having the ability to perform in front of these people, and he was ready to quit. Then suddenly one voice came from his inside, that is from the bottom of his heart, which we call as a subconscious mind. He got an click, and he decided whatever so happen he is going to perform, because if he failed to do so, then he believed that this will be the end of his career. And by that thought, he just challenged his subconscious mind and told that to support him. And by sudden or by unbelievable means, he got an energy and performed in an extraordinary manner. And he won the hearts of the people. So that means if we work from the bottom, then the success is for sure. But the thing is that how we can challenge our subconscious mind. And literally, suppose if you do so, then you will also able to solve the riddles of the universe. Another story, There was one scientist called as an Kekule. He was working in the chemistry department and he tried to find out the structure of benzene. In those days, the straight chain compound were been there and not any scientist in the world were having an idea related to the cyclic structure. During his work, he fell asleep, and in the dream, he saw that different snakes were coming from different seven corners and surrounded him. He woke up suddenly and just shouted as Eureka, and he got an idea that the structure of the benzene is cyclic. That means the snake was the role model, that was the solution given by the subconscious mind in the form of dream. So, the moral of the story is you have to train yourself. If you want to know about this, then you can contact me. I will help you regarding